What's up, everybody? Dre Hall here with a Newbies on Fire system review. Newbies on Fire is a solution that can change your life. Learn the 3 components to online commissions. Welcome to the team. Get every bonus when you start today. So we're going to start with going over the product, the system, and the community. We're going to go take a look inside the community and show you proof that people are getting paid. Right, here goes part of the product too, the advanced training course. So system, we're going to get into that. Right, the system's included with every product purchase. There is multiple products. You see a payment via PayPal, that's paid via Square, so you could come in and use any payment processor you want, and if you don't know about payment processors, you will be educated on that process through the product as well. Here's the starter pack. Right, here goes people, they're just sharing their results that they have had with the system. You could come in here and right, you could come in here and have a $500 day. This goes on and on and on, guys, so I'm not going to spend too much time showing you results. I just want to give you a fair view of it's not just me making money, it's not just one person making money. There's a lot of knowledge available to you as a bonus that's going to teach you how to do the whole online scheme of things. Outside of Newbies on Fire as well. Newbies on Fire equips you with knowledge to win outside of the company as well. The starter product, we'll get to that. So the starter product. Let's see if we can load up fast. So we'll start with the product. The system, you just see me log into the system. So you got your system tutorials. We got branding mastery. Branding mastery, this is the starter package. It teaches you how to build your brand online, right? These images, it's all part of branding, and it's how you stand out to your audience. So if your brand's able to reach 10,000 people per month, what's stopping you from enabling your brand to reach 100,000 people per month? You have to start somewhere. Newbies on Fire gives you the instructions to start here. So how to find buyers, right? This is for basic level members. Lead generation workshop, that's for basic level members. Facebook chatbot mastery, that's for advanced level members. Product creation mastery is for elite members. MP domination is for elite members, and customer retention elite is for elite members. So let's look at product creation mastery. You're actually going to learn how to put all this together and start your own company, essentially. That's valuable, right? So let's go over the system now. So the system literally organizes your whole structure for you. These are the green, this is my active team members. The red star is people who just came through the system and created a free account. So you see I'm getting results. I have more team members than this, but that gets more into the compensation plan of things. But we'll go over the tools and show you more inside the system. So we start with the pages. These are capture pages. What a capture page is a page like this. Newbies on Fire equips you with several capture pages. It equips you with landing pages. That's where all the information's at, right? It's a system. The landing page is what enables you to have automation inside your life. This video is up and it's ready to present itself to anyone who visits the website. When people visit the website, they want more information. So chances are the system can convert them if they're looking for information. This is a referral-based business where if you're on the business side of it versus the customer side, you refer members to our system. They either want to make money or learn about the products. And when they do that, you earn 100% commissions on the products. So we'll load up product page. We're in the community right now, so we already went over the product, we went over the system, and we went over the community. That's, for the most part, the three successful components you need. A community enables you to gain the knowledge that you don't have. There are people that's winning that could teach you more than we could put out in just one video. When you connect yourself with these entrepreneurs that are all part of a community, like we could take a look right here. We'll go to the members tab and see how many people is actually in this community. The landing page, that's ready to go.
Congratulations and welcome to the Newbies on Fire back office. I am so excited to get this information.
Right, so that video starts and the company owner comes on and talks to you guys, and then you make a decision, and you're the only one that can make the decision, so there's no point in influence you anymore once you're at this point on the decision. If you make it to this point, the best thing you could do is follow through on the decision you started. There's a reason you started this decision. The reward for joining this industry in general, especially if you're a newbie with no experience, someone that wants to make money online and hasn't made any money online or ever tried to make money online, this product is ideal for you. The best part about this is you can know you're doing something good for people, because when people want to be around people that are winning, they want to win themselves. So when you take someone from a point where they wasn't winning to they have a desire to win, that in itself, you're leading people the right way. My name is Dre Hall, guys. Thank you for checking out this review. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'll see you on the inside.